This next question comes from one of the Altium feature videos on solder mask expansion and minimum sliver sizes in Altium Designer. This question asks, is there a way of having an online rule for minimum solder mask sliver? I want to place vias close to pads while maintaining some solder mask between them. So the answer here is yes, there is a rule for detecting minimum solder mask slivers, and it is the solder mask sliver rule, and it is in the PCB rules and constraints editor in Altium Designer. If you're using other CAD packages, they have their own version of this rule with a different name. But no matter which CAD package you use, there is a rule for this, and it will be able to detect those minimum sliver sizes. Typical sliver limitation that I've been told from different manufacturers is 4 or 5 mils. So as long as you're above that value for slivers, you won't have a potential issue with shorts if you have component pads too close together, and you could place untented vias close to pads. Now, in this specific case, the question is talking about placing vias close to pads. And of course, if you have a sliver, that means that via is untented. But if there's no reason to leave the via untented, frankly, I would just tent those vias. If you tent the via, you're not even going to have to worry about this issue with solder mask slivers.